how to make your own sound on Roblox mobile. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead to your voice recording app. So in my case, voice memos. And what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna just record the voice, and basically I'm gonna save it to my files, okay? And after you save it to your files, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead to your Roblox, click the three dots at the below, right? And you're gonna see right here multiple options. Just go ahead to the create, and it's gonna open up a new window for you, right? And what I'm going to do here, I'm going to just click the three bars at the top left and go ahead to the creations. In the creations, what I'm going to do, I'm going to just see right here, experience, events, avatar items, just swipe right, and you're going to see right here, development items. And here, you're going to see another section says models and packages, plugins, and audio. Just go ahead to the audio and basically just go ahead and upload the asset. And from here, what I'm going to do, I'm going to name the asset and I'm going to add a description for it if you wanted to. In my case, I'm going to just go ahead to the upload right here, and it's going to open up a new window for me to choose from the files, and basically just hit upload. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you.